Do your customers send you purchase orders in a standardized format, like PDF, for example? Do you have to manually enter hundreds of lines for one single order? eLink might be the solution for you. eLink is a process that automates the task of manually entering numerous line items into Eclipse and creates sales orders directly from your customers. With eLink, you are liberated from the tedious realm of data entry. It's a faster, more efficient way to enter your customers' orders. Because it's automated, eLink reduces the risk of errors and also frees up valuable time in your busy day. Here's how it works. Contact your e-business specialist to get an eLink profile set up for your customer. Once your customer is set up, take a standardized purchase order that you received from your customer and forward it to eLink@vikingelectric.com. Your sales order will be generated within a couple of minutes. Review your sales order in Eclipse and move on to your next task. It's that simple. Thank you for your time, and remember to use eLink to improve the speed and accuracy of your customer orders.